Breaking news, ladies and gentlemen, breaking news. The Jamaica's Constable Force has been placed on high alert as over 5 police officers has come under attack in the last 12 days. Listen, if you no want to lose on a life or on a stripe, go and go mix with the police them now, cause them not ramp day nor night. Greetings and salutations. You know it's your favorite Jamaican. I'm Rastafari, soldier here of Deep Roots TV. If this is your first time tuning in, ladies and gentlemen, hit that red subscribe button. Leave your comment. Police across the island of Jamaica has been placed on high alert following a number of criminal activities against the Jamaican Constable Force in the recent weeks. Now, police say that their investigations have shown that between February 13th and February 25th, one JCF member was killed and 4 others injured in separate attacks. As a result of this development, the police command has issued a call for members to be vigilant and stay on high alert. The Police Officers Association, in release of Saturday, said that the note that grieve concern about the recent attacks on members of the constabulary force across several police divisions, as the officers corps in charge with the responsibility of providing leadership of the members were viewed an attack on the gatekeepers of law is an attack on the state. The release stated, "We are urging every member of the constable force to remain alert and be vigilant. We encourage to apply their training to defend themselves. Let us not be deterred by criminals, but continue to serve and protect the people of Jamaica," the release stated. Police also mentioned that attacks against JCF members in St. Thomas Division, ladies and gentlemen, District Councilman Mark Forrester was shot and killed on Monday, February 13th, about 3:40 p.m. DC Forrester was shot and killed as a response to a report of men behaving in a suspicious manner in the community of York District, St. Thomas. It was further reported that the perpetrators also opened fire on citizens who attempt to assist the injured Forrester. 5 days later, St. Andrew North Division on Saturday, February 18 at about 6:58 a.m. along Grand Spen Road. In the vicinity of Grand Spen Police Station, St. Andrew, a motorcyclist who was signaled to stop by a police team sprayed up the police. It was reported that the motorcyclist was signaled to stop when the motorcyclist pulled a firearm from his waistband, and he fired several times in shooting direction of the police, and the police returned fire. The boy scanter. After the shooting subsided, police sergeant was grazed in the left eye and was taken to the Kingston Public Hospital for treatment. Thank God him never get fatal. It is not known if the gunman was injured or not. 3 days later, over the St. Andrew South Division, on Tuesday, February 21st, at about 7:10 p.m., a police sergeant signed to the Hunts Bay police station was shot and injured by a gunman at a car wash along Union Avenue, St. Andrew. He was shot in the abdomen and was transported to the hospital for treatment. He is now in stable condition. The civilian who was believed to have been the target of the attack was killed in this incident. Over the St. Andrew Southern Division on Friday, February 24th at about 9:20 a.m., a police constable Jerome Myers of St. Andrew South PIU was shot and injured in the Greenwich Farm 3rd Street area. It was reported that he was on patrol, providing cover on the space where gunmen opened fire on the team. He was reportedly shot in the chest and leg. The police said the unidentified male believed to be the perpetrator was fatally shot and a black and brown FMK 9mm was seized. In another incident, Clarendon Division, on Saturday, February 25th, at about 12:50 a.m., police constable attacked by another civilian. He was attached to the Montreal Police in Clarendon. The 5 civilians were shot and injured by an unknown assailant. I saw them go on in a Clarendon, you know. You can see, I want that still. Reports are constable were among patrons at a round robin when 2 armed men came onto the premises and robbed the banker, then fired several shots and made their escape in the area. Ladies and gentlemen, no hear how the people them are gone. Them brazen. I'm talking about them make you shrivel up like raisin. Police are on high alert. So what that mean? Little boys and girls, avoid them or you will get hurt. Them scared. Them scared right now. You hear the word right now? To be a police or soldier in a third world country like Jamaica take testicle fortitude. You have to be in it to win it. And if you're not going to win it, you have to kill it. You have to be serious with them people here. Because enough cable them I watch. Me yesterday them drop all the price on Netflix. So it thing I got turn up. And it I got turn up quick. Ladies and gentlemen, let me know what we can do. Keep the crime down. You are going to a one life we have to live. We're living in a paradise. And the people them are take what we life. And more life, more joy, more happiness. Leave your comment on the channel. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for to build up the Rastaman panel? More life, more joy. Keep it real for me now.
Deep Roots, man. How you guys doing out there? We having a good time, man. We're right in Fort Lauderdale Beach. We got dancing, we got party, we got drink, we got beautiful women. We doing good things over here. Deep Roots, man. Keep it real.
Long time I'm telling you that. Keep it real. Fire
So from them mix with the fire, them have to mix with the lightning. Them mix with the lightning, them have to mix with the thunder. Them mix with the thunder, them got to mix with the rain. And they so black people I put the wicked them under. Hey Babylon, me see them a fret and them a wonder. Who flashy lightning and who roll the thunder? Deep Roots flashy lightning and him roll the thunder. Babylon, me see that them a panda. Look how much of the youth them well them shut and look how much them put under. How much of the youth them well them send a dove cut ya. Where Babylon the fire burn no longer. Babylon Deep Roots full of say you can't turn ya. Fire king, Rastaman and a real fire king. Whoa, fire king, Rastafari soldier and fire king. Yeah, bang bang bang,
Pick up Deep Roots TV. Respect, make sure to tune in the air every time.
Pick up Deep Roots TV. Tap in. Deep Roots TV. You already know what it is.